guys, we're back at it. We're at Costco, like she said. Yes, guys, Costco is getting ready for back to school, so we're gonna check it out and see how stocked up they are on snacks, right?
Yummy.
Everything's bigger at Costco.
And these type of snacks are right.
Okay, guys, if you like our videos,
please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Costco.
Hit the notification bell for future videos that may pop up
at any
time.
Okay, guys, we're going shopping. Let's go. Here we go. Costco's getting ready. Back to school savings. We got some savings here, some snacks and stuff here. Let's see what else snacks they have. Nathan's, Tillamook, cheese, salad.
Can I go to Daddy?
Yeah. I like this one. This is the pure layered fruit bars. Those are really good. I'm not sure about the Rice Krispies, but I tried that. It's pretty good. So they have a whole bunch of stuff. They're getting ready for back to school, like we are for our kids, and a whole bunch of snacks. This applesauce my kids really enjoy also. You guys, they are getting, like I said, getting back ready for back to school snacks. They have these Kind mini bars, 2 different flavors. They're $4 off, so $13.99. And then they also have this Nature Valley Crunch oats and honey. I like that. They are $9.49, so it's $4 off. So they're getting ready for their back to school snacks, right? They're back to it. They have the organic pure layer fruit bars, $3 off. I had this in my other video too, so you guys can check out my old video. But they changed the packaging of the box,
so get more buys.
No.
Yes.
Welchers. They have the Welchers fruit snacks, 90 pack, $3.20 off, $9.79. $9.79 is your sale price. So, hey, snackies. Hey, they got their classic flavored chips. Back to school snackies. There we go, $13.99. That one's not on sale, but I just want to show it to you. But guys, yes, they are ready for back to school snacks. You're in Costco on a Tuesday in Maui, Tuesday. Usually that's when they bring out mostly all the vegetables and the fruits. So they usually bring out all the fruits and vegetables. Here, check it out. Pineapples are $2.99. Peaches, cherries, plums.
I have yellow bananas.
Yellow bananas.
Watermelon.
Yellow bananas. $2.39. Not bad for that price. Oh, they don't have.
Pretend you said, why did you give her hair down a ball? She found me a wall. I thought she would like it because she's in there. Pretend I'm gonna buy a house that's a wall. You say what? Leg is hold up on top of it. Covered in stuff. Yes, it's gonna be
Alright, we still have apple pies here with organic apples. It is $12.99 for this apple pie right there. So this is another seasonal items. So it probably won't last very long. Here's their custard pie, excuse me. It's $13.99. I've had a lot of custard pie. Their custard pie is really good. It compares to a lot of the custard pies that we get in Oahu, Chinatown. So it's pretty good up there. It's on the #1 checklist there, guys. This is something they usually don't have all the time. This is the caramel bar cake. So I'm not sure if it's exclusive here in Hawaii or they might have it in your own store. But guys, that looks delicious. Delicious.
Guava cheesecakes,
It's
right?
only exclusive in Hawaii.
It's just exclusive in Hawaii, so you can only get it here. So yeah, and it's only it's $14.99. We're gonna show you the next exclusive one on Maui too. Here, I mean in Hawaii. This is their mango cheesecake. It's $14.99.
Oh, man.
Mango. I would totally get it if I were you.
Yep.
This is their key lime pie. You can get it almost anywhere, Costco, and it is $14.99 like the other cakes, other cheesecake.
There's the price.
Here's the price.
Let's do an area view.
Let's do an area view of that delicious.
Delicious
cakes. Yum, yum.
cheesecake.
See it?
Alright guys, also in the bakery they have their assorted muffins. Mix and match muffins for $7.99. So this flavor, usually this one will always sometimes change. So this one is coffee cake muffin. So this one is this season's one. The chocolate is usually here. And we'll show the other two that's usually here. So they always have the almond poppy muffins. I like this one, but I can't get it all the time. Yeah, so that's the poppy seed muffins. And then look, this is the regular blueberries. So the blueberry is a regular items that they usually have here. So the blueberry, the poppy, and the chocolate is what they usually have. And then the coffee cake is a seasonal one. So they might change the flavor to another one later on. So muffins, check. Get those muffin deals.
This is the Kirkland Guava Danishes. They are
$9.99.
$9.99 for two.
You get either the guava.
You get either the guava or the almond one.
Almond peel.
Almond peel. Or the cheese. The cheese Danish. I'm gonna show you the sign. And over there is $9.99 for the Danishes.
Iced with fudge.
This is mini American case iced with fudge. And
let's take a big area view.
let's take a big area view. Look at that chocolate frosting, chocolate cake. And it's $7.99. Right up there. See it? These are the Kirkland Cinnamon Pull-Aparts, and they are only $6.99.
Let's do area view.
Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious?
Delicious. Throw it in the oven. Or you don't have to. Just eat it cold.
Or put it on your toaster.
In your toaster. There's just regular cakes. Now they're all round.
Mommy, there's a teddy bear model.
Ooh. What is it?
Mommy, there's a teddy bear. See it, Kevin?
Okay guys, this strawberry filled croissants, it is a 6-pack. It's for $7.99. It's pretty good. I like it. And my kids love it. So come down and try it. And then they have the regular croissants. Always a great deal for a 12-pack, $4.99. Another thing that's perfect for back to school is the Zulu Titan 16-ounce water bottles 3-pack. So you will get 3 of these, and then you get multiple colors. This one is pink, purple, and then I think this is like a light blue. And then the other color will be yellow, blue, and then green. Pretty good deal. You get 3. So you get 3 of these for $6.97. $6.97. So, yeah, another good back to school water bottles you can probably use. It says leak proof. Yeah. So, yeah, get back ready for back to school. Okay guys, once again, we featured this on our last video, and then I'll put a link in the description right about there. So it's $6.97. It's the bundt pans. All right, from Costco. And if you're into baking, that's perfect right there, those pans. All right guys, first item we found is the Mana stainless steel water bottles 2-pack.
They come in green with blue and pink with a light sky blue.
So
yeah.
They are going fast. It'd be great for what? Back
to school.
Back to school, and you get 2 of them.
You get 2. See? Stop. Pause. Start recording.
Tell them what it is. Tell them what it is. Alright guys, this is a $4.97, 97 cents. That's our deal. Look at, what is it, Kemi?
Chloe's Line Pops. If you were in this, you would be freezing to death right now.
Alright, so guys, we have our organic root beer, $4.97. Root beer float. Oh, look, Oregon made root beer float cream bar, frozen dessert. It's very limited. They don't have much. It's $4.97.